Navigating the open seas requires precision, reliability, and a touch of adventure, qualities that the Garmin Quatix 7 Pro embodies in its design and functionality. As a premium GPS marine smartwatch, it caters to the unique needs of mariners, sailors, and anglers, seamlessly blending advanced marine capabilities with everyday fitness and wellness features. Whether you're charting a course through uncharted waters or tracking your fitness goals on land, the Quatix 7 Pro stands as a versatile companion. With its rugged yet sophisticated design, this smartwatch not only withstands the harshest marine environments but also complements your style during everyday activities. Join me as we delve into the impressive specifications and features that make the Garmin Quatix 7 Pro a standout choice for those who live life on and off the water. Design and build quality. The Quatix 7 Pro immediately commands attention with its premium construction and thoughtful design elements. The 47mm case strikes an ideal balance between presence and wearability, while the scratch-resistant Sapphire crystal lens has proven incredibly durable during my extensive use. I particularly appreciate the titanium bezel with its diamond-like carbon coating, which not only adds a luxurious touch but also provides exceptional resistance to scratches and wear. The metal button guard and reinforced lugs demonstrate Garmin's commitment to durability, ensuring the watch can withstand the harsh marine environment. What truly impresses me is Garmin's environmental consciousness, evidenced by the use of recycled ocean-bound plastics in the watch housing. The quick-release bands have been a practical feature, allowing me to switch between the silicone strap for water activities and the more elegant metal band for casual wear. The watch maintains a professional aesthetic while clearly communicating its marine heritage through thoughtful design cues. Display and interface. The 1.3-inch AMOLED display is nothing short of spectacular, featuring a crisp 416 by 416 pixel resolution that ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. I've found the screen particularly impressive during bright sunny days out on the water, where many other smartwatches struggle. The dual-interface approach has proven invaluable. The traditional button controls are perfect when my hands are wet or when wearing gloves, while the responsive touchscreen provides quick access to features when conditions permit. The user interface is intuitively designed, with customizable data fields and widgets that allow me to prioritize the information most relevant to my activities. The menu structure is logical and well-organized, making it easy to navigate through the watch's extensive feature set without feeling overwhelmed. Battery performance. The battery life of the Quatix 7 Pro has consistently exceeded my expectations. During regular use as a smartwatch with notifications and activity tracking, I've achieved up to 16 days between charges, though this reduces to about 6 days with the always-on display activated. The various power management modes offer impressive flexibility. In battery saver mode, I've stretched the battery life to an impressive 21 days, perfect for extended trips where charging opportunities are limited. When using GPS functions, I typically get 42 hours in standard mode, or 30 hours with the always-on display. The all-satellite systems mode, which I use for precise navigation, provides up to 32 hours of use, 24 with always-on display. The max battery GPS mode extends this to 75 hours, while the Expedition GPS mode can last up to 14 days. Marine-specific features. The marine capabilities of this watch are truly extraordinary and have revolutionized how I interact with my vessel. The direct integration with force trolling motors has made precise control effortless, allowing me to adjust speed and direction right from my wrist. The ability to remotely access and control Garmin chart plotters and autopilots has proven invaluable during solo sailing, while the Fusion audio system control adds an extra layer of convenience to the boating experience. Real-time boat data streaming has become indispensable to my maritime activities. Having immediate access to water depth, engine RPM, wind information, and other crucial data without having to move from my position has significantly enhanced my situational awareness and decision-making capabilities on the water. Navigation capabilities. The navigation features have consistently impressed me with their accuracy and reliability. The multi-band GPS with SatIQ technology provides positioning accuracy that rivals professional marine instruments. The preloaded topoactive maps have proven invaluable for coastal navigation, while the support for BlueChart G3 coastal charts and Lakivu G3 inland maps ensures I always have detailed navigation information at hand. The weather map overlays have become an essential tool for trip planning and safety, allowing me to make informed decisions about weather conditions and potential hazards. The ability to create and follow routes, set waypoints, and track my journey has made navigation more intuitive and safer than ever before. Advanced features and technology. The LED flashlight feature has proven to be more than just a convenience, it's a genuine safety feature. The ability to quickly access different light intensities with a double tap of the top left button has been invaluable during nighttime operations. The red light mode has been particularly useful for preserving night vision while checking charts or equipment in low light conditions. The health and fitness monitoring capabilities are comprehensive and accurate. The ECG app provides valuable insights into heart rhythm patterns, while the advanced sleep monitoring has helped me better understand my rest patterns during extended trips. The pulse ox sensor and VO2 max tracking have been reliable indicators of my overall fitness level, while the endurance and hill score features help me maintain peak performance for demanding water activities. Smart features and connectivity. The smart features have seamlessly integrated into my daily routine. Smart notifications keep me connected without being intrusive, while the music storage capability allows me to enjoy my favorite tracks without carrying my phone during water activities. Garmin Pay has proven convenient for quick purchases during stops at marine supply stores or fuel docks. The Fish Forecast app has become an unexpected favorite, helping me optimize my fishing expeditions by providing detailed information about optimal fishing times and conditions. The connectivity with other Garmin devices and the Garmin Connect app creates a comprehensive ecosystem that enhances both the marine and fitness aspects of the watch. Health monitoring. Health monitoring is another area where the Quatix 7 Pro shines. It includes an ECG app capable of detecting atrial fibrillation by analyzing heart rhythm data, a valuable tool for users concerned about cardiovascular health. Other health monitoring features include wrist-based heart rate tracking and stress monitoring, providing users with comprehensive insights into their overall well-being. These features help users maintain a balanced lifestyle by offering actionable data on physical activity levels and stress management. So, should you buy it? After extensive use in various conditions, I can confidently say that the Garmin Quatix 7 Pro is the most capable and well-rounded marine smartwatch available. While the premium price point might give some pause, the combination of robust construction, comprehensive feature set, and reliable performance makes it an investment worth considering for serious mariners and water sports enthusiasts. The watch excels not only as a specialized marine instrument but also as a sophisticated everyday smartwatch, making it a versatile companion for both on-water activities and daily use. The attention to detail in both hardware and software design, coupled with the extensive marine-specific features, sets a new standard for what a marine smartwatch can be.